Today, we're diving deep into the world of nerve damage and discovering the absolute best oils that can help us on our path to recovery. So, let's get ready to explore the healing power of nature. Now, I know that nerve damage can be a real pain, quite literally. The good news is that there are natural treatments available that can make a significant difference. So, let's get straight to it. Our first contender is none other than lavender essential oil. This tiny gem is well known for its relaxing powers, but did you know it can also soothe those frayed nerves? Its aromatic compounds help relax your nervous system, easing pain and tension. It's as simple as putting a few drops of this wonderful oil in your diffuser before bedtime. And you'll be on your way to a restful night's sleep, which is essential for nerve repair. The stimulating peppermint oil comes next. When it comes to nerve pain, this one is a beast. Its menthol content produces a cooling sensation that can aid with pain relief. For immediate treatment, dilute it with a carrier oil and gently massage it into your temples. Or simply inhale the aroma to feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Let us now discuss the legendary frankincense oil. For generations, this oil has been prized for its remarkable healing abilities. It contains compounds that may aid in nerve regeneration and reduce inflammation. Frankincense is a calming balm for your nerves, whether you use it in meditation or simply massaging it into your skin. And last but not least, we have rosemary oil. This vibrant herb isn't just for cooking. It's a fantastic ally in nerve repair. It's known to improve circulation, which is essential for nourishing those damaged nerves. You can infuse it into your massage oil or even add a few drops to your bath for a relaxing and revitalizing experience. That concludes our exploration of the best oils for nerve damage. Nature has truly gifted us with some great treatments. I hope these oils have encouraged you to adopt some of these oils into your wellness routine.